Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another Christmas dish. It's called Christmas Wreath Cream Tart. It's super easy to make and will be a great addition to your holidays. Let's get started. We will start with the base first. So in a bowl add half cup of butter, half cup of icing sugar, 1.5 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Mix everything together and make it into a dough. And now we will divide the dough into 2 equal parts. To shape our tart, we will use the base of a baking pan, or you can use any other flat plate. And in the middle place any glass or cup. Take one half and roll it into the shape of a log and place it around the cup. Repeat with the other half and join both the ends together. Take out the glass and try to smooth out the dough. Just be patient, it will take some time. And press the dough down to make it flat. At this stage, it will start looking like a wreath. Now prick the tart with a fork all over. Bake it in the preheated oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Out and let it cool down completely before we start icing it. In a bowl, add 1 cup of heavy cream and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Beat them together for 2 to 3 minutes. To this we will add green food color and beat until it becomes stiff. Put that in an icing bag and start piping the flowers all over. If you are not comfortable with piping bag, just spread the icing. Put it in the fridge and let it set for at least 4 to 5 hours. Before serving, decorate your wreath with fruits. I am using strawberries and basil leaves. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.